always looking for very easy and simple lunchbox recipes, and mint pulao is one such recipe, which is a one-pot recipe that you can make, which is loaded with amazing flavors. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. So first I'm going to make a masala paste for the pudina pulao. For this, take 1-inch piece ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 5 large green chilies, a handful of mint leaves, a handful of coriander leaves, 1/4 cup freshly grated coconut, pour a little water, grind it to a smooth paste. To a pressure cooker, add 3 tablespoons of ghee. I have a combination of whole spices that I'm using for the pulao: bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, cumin seeds, and whole peppercorns. Next, I'm going to add 2 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they are transparent for about 2 minutes. Now you can see the onions are nice and transparent. I'm going to add 1 large tomato thinly sliced. Just saute for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add the ground masala paste. Cook the masala till all the raw smell is gone for about 5 minutes. I've sauteed the masala paste for about 5 minutes. The raw smell is gone. To this, add 2 teaspoons of salt. Now you can adjust the salt according to taste. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely. I've used 1 large bunch of mint leaves for this recipe. So I've used 1/4 of the bunch for the masala paste, and the remaining bunch I will be adding into the pressure cooker. And just a handful of coriander leaves. Mix everything. Since we're making pudina pulao, it has to be a very predominant mint flavor. I've taken 300 ml of basmati rice. I've washed it a few times. I have not soaked it because it's a very quick and easy recipe, and we're not soaking it. But if you do want to soak it, you can soak it for about 15 minutes. Mix the rice along with the masala. Take care to see you don't break the rice while mixing. For 300 ml of rice, I'm adding 600 ml of water. The ratio is 1:2. So 1 portion of rice, I'm adding 2 portions of water. Mix everything. Keep the flame on medium and cook for about 2 whistles. Place the weight once the steam comes out. After 2 whistles, turn off the stove. Rest the rice in the pressure cooker for about 10 minutes before opening it. You can enjoy this pulao with some nice raita by the side, and if you do want to add, you can add some vegetables to it and enjoy this lovely lunchbox recipe. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.